Hello everyone guys, for those that have never know how to do their pancake, if you know you don't know how to make pancake from this scratch, just gather here make we do them together. Guys, this pancake is similar to crepe but kind of different, so stay tuned and watch from the beginning to the end. Okay, grab your bowl. Guys, put two pieces of eggs, your sugar, your flour, your your butter, your baking powder. Guys, mix everything together. Add your milk if you feel like to add milk. So this is my frying pan. So I'm just using this frying pan to get some as in design from this our pancake. I don't want it to be as in that exact circle I wanted it to be. I just want it to have design a bit while using this kind of pan. Guys, okay, let's go. So grab your pan, apply oil or butter on it. Guys, start using this kind of deep spoon to be putting it on the frying pan. Guys, don't make it to be too flatty like crepe. Just make it look circle like this a bit, but not flatter than the not flatter like the crepes. Guys, that's what that we make the two quite different. Because if you allow it to cover all the pan, that means say na crepe we did do. So but what we are doing is pancake. So guys, we finished doing the first round, so now we are doing the second round. Just put it like this, turn it. Once it's brownish in color, you will know that your pancake is already done. Guys, take a look at this. You can top it up with honey if you want it to be sweet, if you want it a sweetener for this, because pancake doesn't taste sugar unless maybe you add too much sugar. I don't like adding sugar, so that I can top it up with the honey. So go ahead, make your pancake like this. As you can see, it's not hard, it's very simple. So try making things yourself, guys. You know, gonna take your time, and this is quite very easy. So for now, I'm gonna also show you the kind of fruit you need to be taking, especially this period. The weather is intense. Guys, this watermelon. Just continue eating fruits because that's what the weather needed. So I have like two fruits here, which is watermelon and the melon itself. This yeah, the watermelon comes in 90% water, guys, which is very good this time around, because when you put it in the fridge it will be very chill, and while eating it gonna chill your body. That's why you don't need mixing it. So another fruit here is our melon, which is also good. Guys, this replicant of pawpaw, guys, because we hardly see pawpaw here. Even if you see, it will be quite expensive. So go grab this one, the two fruits, cut it like this, allow it to chill, put it in the fridge to chill, and start eating them. Guys, this is gonna mirror and refresh your body. If you don't know, if you never try it, just kindly do that and thank me later. Okay, yeah. So to show you that this is so refreshing and delicious, grab these two, guys, especially now that is everywhere, because before it's kind of scarce, but I think now is the season, so it's everywhere, it's affordable now. Just grab it, use it to chill and refresh your body, guys, and thank me later. So you saw me slice, prepared, and present. Guys, this is looking attractive. So go ahead, serve to your family. Guys, this is so very good. If you, I know that watermelon is rampant, but that melon itself is not that rampant. But kindly be trying the lemon, I mean melon, especially if you are in Europe, because pawpaw is kind of scarce and is quite expensive. Even if you see pawpaw, is kind of expensive. So this one repressed pawpaw for me. Guys, hope you find this video of some value. Thanks.